On Saturday the 17th, my phone died. I hadn't charged it for several days, and last night a storm knocked out all the power. The poor bastard must have keeled over while I was asleep. But I was doing fine, considering. Really. It's just a power outage. Any time now, any second. Okay. And the worst part about all this is that I was expecting a call. But I can wait it out till the power comes back on. I'll be okay. Really, I'll be okay. The power will be back on soon. I'll be okay. Really. Any minute now. Okay, really. I'll be okay. I'll be okay, really. I'll really be okay. It's just the power outage. It'll come back. Okay, I'll be. Really. Really. Trees? Where is this place? Where am I? What am I? What am I doing here? What is this? He frightened me at first, but then I understood. He was why I was here. He was explaining to me man's natural state and how we are all connected by a great spirit. Wow. Taught me about the natural world. He was telling me that society has separated us from our true nature, and that... Wait, what was that? My God, it's alive! My God, it's come back to me. Come back to me. It's alive. My God. My God, it's come back to me. Yes, bliss and heaven, I am born again.